How are you? I wish you all the best, but health. Today, we are going to introduce the exciting ingredients that I'm taking it every day. Many of you are interested and exciting to know what is this ingredient is all about. Folks, it's Gloria Tanala is here. Anyone who is part of my journey calls me Mama G. We're live now on TikTok. Here's the 8 dried fruit, a healthy and effective ingredients that I'm interested to share with you today, which needed as proper nutrient to nourish your body, especially for breakfast. Number 1, the raisins. Raisins is a powerhouse. It promotes digestive regularity, rich in dietary fiber. Due to tartaric acids, helps relieve constipation and support healthy guts. High in potassium, low in sodium. It helps to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Best for iron deficiency and reduce inflammation. Number 2, Goji Berry. Goji Berry is another superfood packed with vitamin A, C, fiber, iron, antioxidant like zeaxanthin, good for eye, retina, and lenses, lowering the risk age-related macular degeneration, reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, anti-diabetic, stimulant the immune system, help immune function. The number 3 is Cranberry. Cranberry is another powerhouse. It helps to promote healthy guts, heart health, prevent urinary tract infections, unique antioxidant called proanthocyanin to prevent bacteria like E. coli from sticking to bladder walls, helps prevent recurrence UTIs, and promote regular bowel movement. Healthy guts, microbiome with compounds like quercetin and anthocyanin to fight inflammation, neutralize free radicals to protect cells from disease. Oral health, cranberry compound reduce the amount of acid in your mouth and stop bacteria from collecting on your teeth, which can help prevent cavities and gums infections disease. Number 4, the flax seeds. Flax seeds is high in omega-3, fatty acids, dietary fiber, and lignans. Antioxidant, consuming flax seeds daily improve your digestive health. Good for health, lower cholesterol, and helps balance hormones. Excellent for relieving constipation and promoting regular bowel movement. Alpha-linoleic acids in essential omega-3 fat known to reduce inflammation and bad cholesterol. Flax seeds contain phytoestrogens called lignans that help to manage menopausal symptoms such as hot flushing, balancing hormones related to PMS, PCOS, promote feeling fullness. The number 5 is black currant. Black currant looks like this. This is the spelling of black currant. Black currant, nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, dietary fiber, anthocyanin, antioxidant to help boost immune functions, help to lower inflammation, good for heart, good for the brain health, healthy skin and digestion, good for collagen production for healthy skin, iron deficiency, strengthening your immune system. Contains cyanins, help to lower oxidative stress, lower risk of chronic disease, and promote eyes health by combating eye strain and fatigue, and keeps your guts healthy, regulates digestion. Please note, anti-inflammatory properties, the gamma-linolenic acids and polyphenol can help ease joints inflammation and soothe muscle soreness, rich in potassium. Number 6, the rolled oats. This is rolled oats. Many of you, maybe they have a different name, so this is it. There you go. Some people, they call it Quaker oats. But here, it's rolled oats. I don't know, ask Big Bird why. Rolled oats improve gut health. Manganese, good for bones. Metabolism, iron. Magnesium, good for muscles. And nerve, feeding beneficial bacteria in your microbiome, promoting healthy digestion. Okay, Psyllium Husk. This is the spelling of Psyllium Husk. Psyllium Husk helps us to loosen stools, regulate digestion. It's laxative. Absorb water to relieve constipation. This is probiotic to support healthy guts bacteria that helps by bending bile acids in the gut from our body. Excrete them. It's a gel form soothes your intestinal that slow down digestion of food. It's help preventing sharp spiking blood sugars and insulin levels. Using this Psyllium Husk, it's for one person. 1 teaspoon is sufficient enough. If you are using it, this Psyllium Husk daily, or you can mix it with coffee, and I'll show it to you later step by step. The last but not least, the Maca Powder. The Maca Powder is a dense roots vegetables native from Peruvian Indies. It's a natural to boost energy and stamina, and it allows to balance hormone and good for menopausal symptom, enhancing libido and sexual function in both men and women. This is a natural aphrodisiac, and according to the study, it's a potentially improved sperm concentration. They have essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, copper, iron, and dietary fiber. Folks, the above 8 ingredients allows to speed, repair, and restore both lining cavity of our large, small intestine, specifically our stomach. It's a simple and effective to help pushing and removing hardened stool inside the stomach. You must drink lots of water daily. And again, this is a simple natural ingredients that it's help you to have a good nutrition to eliminate all the stool that it doesn't remove from our stomach and from our large and small intestine. If you try this, you're gonna be grateful because this is organic and it is help you to heal dysfunctional lining cavity in our stomach and large and small intestine. Now, we are going to show you how to cook this. We are here now in cooking process. This is the best of sugar cane. Okay? Demerara cane sugar. Originally from Guyana, product of Guyana. So, hey, I am promoting your product. I will help you so that you have a big sales, okay? Reach out to Mama G YouTube channel or Gloria Tanala YouTube channel. We used to buy this since as far as I can remember. Why? Because this is organic one made of sugar cane. I know the taste of the organic and the lots of process. So this is it. Anyone that are wishing to be healthy, happy, and pain-free, and to invest your own wealth is your health. There you go. Now, I'm starting now. This is only like 3 big spoon. If you are doing this alone for yourself, this is sufficient enough. And I put 4 cups of water, boiling water. Okay, now I'm doing it. The reason I put 4 cups of water, because this process must be watery so that you can swallow it like you are swallowing a shake. Okay? It is so important that you have to do it step by step. There you go. See? For a small amount, it's good for 2 people. The reason I make this for breakfast because it was set up for today, for today's video. Next time, it's a different one. It's allow you to balance your fiber in your body. See? There you go. They don't miss any fiber and nutrition. This is the last one. Like I said, everything must be cooked first and then mix the maca powder and the Psyllium husk. Like I said, if you are in a hurry in the morning, you are not in the mood, just drink this. Coffee with maca powder and Psyllium husk. You're good. Still, you can drink a lot of water. See, there's no bubbles because of the right technique. I know God is good.